Do 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 do. Guess who is back? Me. Yeah, me. Yeah, we're back in a survival series. Apparently, you didn't see that I have no food. Yes, of course, I have no food. Yeah, so I have do a little bit things off camera. If I do too much, you guys may complain. Oh no, I'm gonna hold this back. Yeah, there we go. And we're planting some seeds. And of course, I captured a cow. How a majestic thing. So I found there. What? What? This is so random. I found there. If yeah, spawning area, and also I get this. Yeah, cool, right? So here I have a spawning area. So yeah, let's do this. Find them and capture them. Pokemon. Just kidding. I remember it's here, but I don't see any things. Yeah, yeah, here's a sheep. Sugar cane. That is so beautiful. Yeah, killed it. Yeah, killed it. Correct, son. Yeah, sorry. I have to do this. I have to do this. Although I love sheep, free muttons. We can eat for hunger. Hunger. Oh no, no, we're dying. We're dying. No, creeps. Don't disturb me, okay? Oh, no. Go on. Please, faster. I'm going to die right here. So no. Yeah. This is so beautiful. So beautiful. So beautiful. Food. What a beautiful thing. Let's sleep. Well, actually, I don't have a plan what to do this. I'm too excited about the episode, so I just start recording whatsoever. Sorry, Reaper Party. Yeah, come here, skeletons. Let me get your bones. Yeah, I love bones. And oh no, this world is so weird. Just have random stuff spawning here. Mountains somewhere. Yeah, you get right. Go away. It is, yeah. That's what I'm talking about. So let's grab seed here. Seed. Any seed? Any seed? Seed Garino. Yeah, just missed the seed. Here we go. We ouch. Yeah, here's the seeds. Oh, I got some bones for bone meals. I love bone meal. I love bone meal. I'm gonna grab two here. What's the seeds? Yeah, we got double treat. Yeah, that's cool. So let's do something. I don't know what to do today. Maybe find another cow. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, we're going to do that. Nope. We're chopping down some wood. Grab some stone, cobble for tools. Tools are important. Everyone knows that. Okay, here we go. Wooden axe. Yeah, beautiful. Mm-hmm. So let's chop down some spur wood, although it's not my favorite wood type. My favorite wood type is birch. Birch wood is the best. Yeah, let's grab it. We're just starting. What are you expecting? We have diamond tools? Not yet, son. Yeah. Well, we need some copper. But I just. Oh, yeah, 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 yes. But as you guys can see, I'm using the default pack now. But before I'm using the PvP texture pack, if you guys know, I'm using that one. Yeah, if you don't know, now you know now. Well, yeah, mistakes are made in that texture pack. Yeah, you know, you know, I just did something wrong, okay? I want to make something about that texture pack, but yeah, I don't think that's beautiful. I'll just use that on a custom command blocks adventure. Is that new adventure? I guess you guys will like it. Yeah, pretty much, pretty much. Two, 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 boom, boom. We'll do 3, 4, whatever. Here we go. I don't know why I always glitching through walls. It's not glitching through walls. If I find a name tag, I will name him. I will name him. Wow. I will name him Tom. Yeah, Tom the Cow is a beautiful name. Well, we'll call him Tom for now. Yeah, he's our first cow. Tom, you're amazing. You're an amazing guy, Tom. This is uncontrolled to Major Tom. You really need a friend. Underworld is Major Tom is not fair. This is that. No, just kidding. Ah, sorry about that. If you're watching, this house is ugly as hell. Yeah, I really want to do something. Don't left the door open. Wait, let me do something. Yeah, we will craft something. So chap. Really noob. I'm Minecraft noob. I just play for a few months. Just kidding. But this is true. I guess so. Meh. Ooh, birch wood and oak wood. You don't need that spur wood anymore, you don't. Yeah. You, you, you. I like that. I like birch wood, but yeah, yeah, I like it. I like it. Liked it. I liked it. I liked it. I liked it. Liked it. Really liked it. Yeah. Yeah. Just wait for slap. Oh, yeah. Oh, flowers. So beautiful. I love flowers. If you don't know, I bet. Oh, that's how it is. Right. Chicken. Chicken. chick. Come with me. Uh, when we're oh yeah, when we have certain amount of stuff, then we will do something amazing. You want to know what that is? Yeah, I will tell you, but later. Yeah, we will create YouTuber statue if we have certain amount of stuff that, but I already mentioned it, so I'm dumb. So let's let the chicken come. Oh, we can make a chicken farm. How lovely. Um, just let them come. Luckily, this is not far from home, so yeah, come chicken, chicken, chickencio, chickens, chickens. You watching me? Yeah, come, baby. No, are you chickens? Are you chicken? Yeah, you guys are chickens. I know you guys. You guys love seeds. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Come, baby. Mhm. Yeah. Once you have a baby, I'll call him Timmy. Yeah, Timmy. Or Jimmy, I don't know. You think I'm genius? Name me? There we go. Hey, chicken. This is so good. I can't believe I got some chickens. Yeah, chickens are the best, you know. If you don't know, he popped out an egg. He popped out an egg. Oh, I don't want you to get in with Calvin, so stay. Boodoo, 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 boodoo. Just stay, okay, chickens. Nothing will happen. Everything is fine. They really likes popping up eggs. You still got wool. No, you little bastard. Come, you bastard. Come, you come too, you bastard. Guy's so dumb. Go ahead. Don't you, don't you wanna rap for me? I'm holding seats. I'm holding seats. Seats on me, seats. Yeah, there we go. Both you guys come, you little dummy. You bastard. Come in. Come in. Come in. Come in. You know you can. You know you can. Come in. Come in. Here, here. Here we go. There we go. There you go. And bada bing, bada boom. And you. I know this is gonna happen. I knew it. Come. Come, you bastard. Come. Yeah, you two. You two are coming with me. You two are coming with me. Come further, come further, come further. Yeah, for here, here, this way, this way. Do 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 do. Yeah, you have been captured, and you guys need to bleed. Bleed, yeah. Make a chicken baby. Oh, we got a chicken farm. And and Tim, Tom, stay there. Just literally just stay. Oh, finally, we got something good instead of bad. Well, we're gonna move some home and make my home bigger if I have time. All the little babies here. Yeah. Yeah, I'll let you eat the seed. No, you. You don't eat? Yeah, whatever. Just. Oh, creeps. Grab gunpowder. This is my destiny. Yes, this is my destiny. Mm, mm, mm. No, 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 no. How could I die? I always die. I don't know why. I just want to survive. Oh, that's rhyme. No, where's my iron stuff? I didn't get any. No, 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 my irons. Oh no. Oh, my iron stuff got blown up. Oh, this is bad. I just said it's good and it happens bad to me. Oh, I'm gonna go mining, mining, mining. You know how I go mining? This. Strip mining. Yeah, yeah. 1, 2, 3. It's not really that bad luck, you know. This is gonna take a while. Yeah, fun. Really, really fun. Strip mining, strip mining. Yeah, 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 yeah. I wish I had duct tape. If I had duct tape, I can tape this thing. Oh, not even a manship or something else. No? No? Oh, iron, finally. Strip mining for iron. Buddy, no one did that before. I know that. Oh, for iron. Yeah, not bad. Let's see, is there anything else? I guess so. Yo. Yeah, bedrock again. Last time I see bedrock. Oh, iron. Yeah, pretty good bedrock system. Which of iron? Mmm, tasty iron. I wish Minecraft can mine bedrock. Yeah, that would be the best thing ever. ever. So let's go back, go back, go 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 up, go 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 go. Extreme kills. Does that mean there's emerald here? Yeah. Yeah. Pretty bad. No. Yeah, you may hear my brother. He is very bad. Everyone knows. Just kidding, he's not bad at all, guys. He's naughty. Naughty. Mm-hmm. He loves to cry. I don't know why. I don't know why. I don't know why. Maybe he's a baby. I don't see chicks. Where's the chicks? Cow? Tom? Tom? What? What? Where's? Where? 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 Where's Tom? Timmy? Where are you? No, where are you? TV? Tom? Tom and Tim? Oh no, no, no. This is pretty bad. Oh, they're very lovely. Yeah, yeah. This is the worst thing ever in life. Bye 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 bye. Live, 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 live. Oh, there's some. Oh, this is for you. Wow, so fresh air, fresh air. Oh, sugar cane. I love sugar. They're pretty damn fast to grow. So, boom, boom. Yeah, money with my sword and worsted ability. Durability, not ability. Yeah, just mind that in case you need it. So, I find out something. Last time I'm going to type slash game rule. Keep inventory true. Then I typed wrong. That is what I want to type. But I wish you guys didn't mind I do this. Well, this is pretty hard to find my stuff sometimes. Yeah. Yeah, boy. Ah, we're just exploring. I don't even know what I like. Go, 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 go. Go, go, Power Ranger. Classic. Snow biome. I wonder what can I do in there. I just want to do something great, man. If we don't have ice, ouch, hurt, but ice, ice. What a majestic thing. Looks ugly when you break it. I don't know, beautiful. We can do something. And here, bada bing, bada boom. And where's my axe? Oh, I lost it too. Oh, I just make it. Oh, lost my new stuff. Bad. We need this. We need this. We need this. We need this. I don't really need this. Uh, this. 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 We don't really need those. And when there's snowballs for no reason, of course. You don't know me the first day, son. I'm not the first day know you, and you are not the first day know me. Apparently, I love snow if you're my friend, but you're not my friend. This is pretty sad. Oh my gosh, this is shovel blade. Shovel break. A. Whatever. Okay. Nah. This is very. It would be very good if it's a cave then. Spidey, Spider-Man, Spider-Man, your friendly neighborhood Spider-Man. Scenes the webs and the sights, capture scenes, just like a lookout. You're Spider-Man. Da 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 da. Not fair, buddy. Yeah, not fair. Of course, not fair. Mm-hmm. We did it. Oh. Oh. Mm-hmm. I can't believe I died from spiders. While I'm seeing Spider-Man, he kills me. That was pretty sad, yeah, kind of. Yeah, sad, 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 sad. I don't know what am I doing. My game is a bit laggy. Wish you don't mind about it. My ooh, one shot. Where's what? Wait, wait, wait. I I don't understand what is happening right now. I have no idea. Well, let's make a pickaxe and a sword and kill some skeletons for wheat and seeds. Yeah, that would be the best idea. Ooh, skeleton. You join me, right? You join me. you join me. Thanks for your bone. Did that skeleton did it drop bones? Wow, that is so strange. Well, in my opinion, that's oh, hello zombie. Missed this? Oh, beautiful. In my opinion, that's yeah, sand is grow. If you want to grow sugar cane, yeah, sugar cane. I don't even know what am I doing. I'm the worst. If you want to grow sugar cane, just sand is faster. Yeah, to me, but I don't know what in my opinion it is, buddy. These have a lot of water sources. Mm, I need fences and chests. Mm-hmm. First, sleep first. Yeah. Yum yum. Let's grab not all, but this many to make it big sticks for fences. Of course, we use whatever. We were gonna to make it gibby gibby gibby. Mm-hmm. There's six. Oh, I just blocked myself from my home. How lovely. Yeah, how lovely. Mm, need to be aware of these guys. So, I don't know what to do. I need to, bastard. You bastard. Oh, grass. And I don't got seeds. Oh, you should go there, buddy. There, mom. Oh, area. Thanks. And put fence. Can't get a fence right. Please go up. Please. Yeah, there. Yeah. I almost forgot not. We're recording. Sorry from not speaking. Yeah. Yeah. Free sorry. Pretty sorry. Pretty sorry. Let's fill up this free. Yeah. It's the best way to do it. And gonna glitch through here. No freaking way. Yeah. So, I might end up the episode here. So, oh, it was so. Goodbye. Nope, I'm not learning the diamond.